this is how to tutorials, and today we'll learn how to create an account on ChatGPT. For that, go to Google Chrome, tap on the search or type web address option here, and then enter here chat.openai.com. As you get onto this web page, you'll get an option of logging in or signing up. Tap on sign up option. Since we are trying to create an account, now enter the email address that's present on your phone and that you want to use, and then tap on continue option. Now create a password for yourself, the easiest one or a suitable, a very strong password. All right. So your password must contain at least 8 characters, and when you're done with it, tap on continue option below. So here they have just sent an email to our particular email address, so we can go there and link inside, tap on the link inside to get started. So I'm going to go to my email address. You can do the same. So here on the top, I do have a notification from OpenAI, so I'm going to tap on it. You can also do the same, and then tap on verify email address option here. As you do it, now you can keep your first name and then your last name along with your birth date. So you can choose the month as well. So I have just chosen a year, and now I'm going to choose the month. And then when you're done with filling all the details, tap on continue option below. So now you can verify your phone number. When you're done, tap on send code option below. So they're trying to solve this puzzle to protect our account. So I'm going to tap on start puzzle. So they are trying to confirm if you're not a robot. So tap on start puzzle and then try to solve it as much as you can. So when you're done with it, tap on submit option. Again, you can go for it. And then tap on submit option once again. So you can see that the verification is completed. And now we will get a code on our phone. Wait for it. So after entering your code, you can see that you're almost there to have a new ChatGPT account. So wait for it. And alright, you have successfully created an account for yourself. Tap on this hamburger icon on the top left corner to see it. Here you can see that. On the bottom, I do have my own email address, and I can successfully start a new chat for myself. So this is how you do it. This is how you create an account on ChatGPT. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video.